This is a video chart presentation of Chanticleer Holdings. It's a NASDAQ listed stock trading our ticker HOTR. Followers of our charts will notice I'm doing this in a different format. Having some issues with stock charts this morning, so I'm using the Quality Stocks website to take a look at this chart. And as such, I scaled down a few of the indicators. Primarily want to look at the candles, and then a few of the commonly used indicators for momentum and trend. Further, this is a look at a 1-month chart, as HOTR is now starting to see some more regular trading activity. This is really the pertinent time frame to be looking at for this play. Now, one thing that's important to note about this, nice bottom support right there around $1.60. Been holding that base now for all of February. Stock took on a little bit of upward pressure on Tuesday, now pressing right on the 9-day moving average. You can see that moving average is acting as a source of dynamic resistance. So initially I'll be looking for a push above that 9-day to start to get that moving average curling upward, moving towards the 50-day. And while the stock price is holding that base, see the MACD recently dropped a bullish cross after flatlining, and then starting to put together a little bit of an uptrend. Technical traders always look at that bullish cross as denoting a new shift in trend, and now I'd look for the MACD to continue to trend upward and ultimately break through the 0 point to identify that the trend has gone into bull mode. The RSIs, as the price per share has been trending down over the last month, long-term upward trend coming out of oversold territory and now registering a 31, which indicates moved out of oversold territory, and that's a positive divergence with that momentum indicator trending upward while the price per share is trending down. Again, that's just one more signal that we could be seeing a shift in the overall chart. And going right along with that is the stochastics, which is also a commonly used gauge of momentum, coming out of oversold territory, starting to trend upward, and just adding a little bit more credence to the idea that this technical bottom may hold and stock may take on some upward pressure. Now, this is a nice support level that's been established, and I'd certainly want to see that stay intact. And what I'd be looking for to the resistance side of things is for the stock to try and break through $2. Price per share has been caught in that channel now for a couple weeks. And again, a move off that bottom and a break through that resistance point could be identifying HOTR has found a true bottom at $1.60, and it's ready to begin a new upward trend. Now, I'd see some more resistance coming in around $2.40, which is a real nice gain from Tuesday's closing price. That's more than 30% to that resistance level. And importantly, I'd look for a primary resistance point up around $3. Now, it's a huge move, adding $1.20 a share. That's about 70% upside, and I'm not looking for anything like that to happen tomorrow. Primarily where this chart caught my eye is because it's holding a nice base, and momentum and trend indicators are giving signs that that base is going to continue to hold, and that this chart might be ready to go through a shift and make a move off this bottom. So first and foremost, hold the base, move above the 9-day moving average, take out the resistance at $2, and then it's just to kind of go from there type of mentality and look for some higher highs and higher lows to be established. This is a low volume play with a minuscule number of shares outstanding, so any upticks in volume, the stock can move very easily, and as such, it's one to keep an eye on for that sort of activity. As always, merely my interpretation of the HOTR chart. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.